tile cutting. You see I got the tote. The water going here. Okay. And then I got a pump. And down this hose here leads to a pump. This is my adjuster for how much water I want to send to the blade. And an extra feature I have plugged into a switch so I can control the pump. When I need the pump on, I turn it on, I hit the cut. Seems to be a really beautiful thing. Let's check it out. I'm already where I need to cut. So, turn the pump on. That gives me my water flowing down the blade. Be one hell of a mess that I have to clean up and get my saw back to where it was, but hell, I could cut tiles and finish this job, right?